Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is CrissyBEA, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video we are reviewing another product, and I actually ordered some products from Juno Co, and I asked you guys on my Instagram if you wanted me to just do an Instagram review or if you actually wanted me to do a YouTube review, and the majority of you said YouTube, so here it is basically. So Juno Co, I've been wanting to try the products for a long time now, and for my birthday I actually got their Juno Co Juno Blur setting powder, which I actually love. This one is because they've got two. This one is the brightening one, but yeah, I think they've got two. I'm pretty sure they've got two. Hold on. Yeah, so they've got two. They've got the brightening one, which is the one I've got, and then they've got a translucent one. And basically it's supposed to give you like an airbrush look. It's supposed to blur it, your skin out and everything, so which I actually love. I love to use it to break under my eyes, because normally when I bake under my eyes, or when I just put powder under my, it tends to crease quite a lot, and then you can see where it's creased kind of a thing. This doesn't do that, which I love. So this is definitely my favorite setting powder at the moment. But I actually ordered some more of their other products, because basically they've got this Moonlight, I think it's called, yeah, Moonlight Miracle Cream that they just released, and it's basically meant to be a primer slash moisturizer. And then they've got their ultimate sponges that everyone knows about, the microfiber ultimate sponges, which I was like, I might as well try them out. Like if I've got the powder and I'm getting the cream, why not get the sponges, the thing that they're known for? So I got the sponges, and the other thing they've also got is some brushes, which I haven't got, and they're gonna be releasing some face palettes, which I saw on their Instagram, so it's looking cute. But yeah, so I've got the package and delivery right here, as you can see. And it came with this like Juno Co newsletter thing that they did, which is quite cute, and then on another side it's like a poster, and then they've got like the product in here. So pretty much I'm gonna review them, let you guys know what I think of the product, if it's worth your money and coins and stuff like that. So if you want to find out what I think about them, make sure you carry on watching. Okay, I've got my headband on and I'm ready to try these products. So basically in the package I got, they actually gave me a free sample of it's Moonshine, not Moonlight, I don't know why I said that. It's called the Juno Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. They gave me a sample, which I'm gonna save towards a giveaway that I might do. I'm thinking I might do a giveaway when I hit either 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or a 10,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, so if you're not following me, make sure you are, because I will be doing that then. So I'm gonna save that for that and add that to the giveaway. But this is the Moonshine Miracle Cream. It comes in this big box. It looks nice and everything. I think I'm gonna review the cream first and then go on to the sponges and everything. So let me just tell you guys a little bit about the cream before we actually open it. A miracle cream made to hydrate and prime the skin to perfection. Wear under makeup to create a perfect canvas, or wear alone to moisturize for a natural glowy dewy skin. Blurs fine lines, minimize pores and moisturize. The two main ingredients that helps plump and reduce the skin imperfection is avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. I can never say that word. So yeah, so those are pretty much the information that they've got on this cream. Basically, miracle cream meant to blur fine lines, blur pores, give you a dewy glowing look if you want to wear it as a moisturizer, or it's meant to create a perfect canvas under makeup basically. So I'm just going to open the package now. So this is what it looks like after I took the plastic. So I think it's meant to be like, you just take it out like that. And like that. I like the packaging. I feel like it's very slick, very like, it looks like a sapphire blue, which is my birthday, which I'm in love with. So I was actually thinking that it was going to be purple for some reason, because the package on Instagram that I saw looks purple, so I thought the box will also go purple. But no, I think it's simple, but it still looks expensive, looks nice and everything. So let's open it up. So when you open it, it looks like that, which, oh, it's got some message. So it says, you got it glowing on, apply cream to face and neck with a gentle massage until fully absorbed. Close your eyes and make a wish, baby, you are a star. That is cute. So they've put like a message here, but then they also put a message like on here for you, and then you open it and then another message, and then you actually get the product, which I think is a cute packaging. It's like kind of like an arts and crafts type of box making packaging, which I think is alright. It's not too bad. I think it's cute with the whole message and everything like that. So yeah, but yeah, so this is the actual product, which, not gonna lie, it looks really nice. I like the packaging. It looks expensive. It's got like this like night sky type of look to it with the design and everything, and then you've got Juno Co Miracle Cream here at the front. I like it. I think it looks very nice. It looks, yeah, I think it looks expensive. I do think it looks expensive, but let's open it. So it's a twisty, which comes like that, and then it's got an actual lid on top to protect it. I like this because on most products they have this anyways, but the little tab that you have to hold to pick up, it tends to be quite hard to pull up. This one's quite soft and it's like shaped as a leaf, which is quite cute. So you just pull that. Oh, the cream, it looks thick. It looks thick, but it's white and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it out. It's just gonna take a little bit. Just gonna take about like a pea size and everything, and then I'm gonna put it on my hand. Okay. It feels more like a thick moisturizer than a primer. It's got a light scent to it. Not gonna lie, the scent kind of reminds me of Savlon, the antiseptic cream, which is strange. I was not expecting it to smell like that, but yeah. I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, I definitely say it's a thick. It feels like it's tacky. Like, it's a bit tacky. It's got a stick to it and everything, which will probably help the foundation stick to my face and everything. Filling my pores wise, like, I've got a spot right there, like a little friend. We're just gonna ignore them. Like, they decided to just, you know, make a visit without announcing. So yeah, but it feels tacky. I don't know if I feel like it's blurred out my pores or anything, but I feel like maybe if once I put makeup on, I might not be able to see as much. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a bit extra on where I normally get I need a bit of more coverage, which is like tends to be my nose area, just around here, and just like blend it out, and just my forehead. But yeah, the one thing I definitely say, it feels thick. Scent smells like Savlon, the antiseptic cream, which is weird, but package wise I really like the package. I think it's cute and everything. I'll have to see how my makeup like goes onto my face and everything and stays onto my face, but yeah, I don't know if I would want to wear this as a moisturizer by itself though. I think that will have to be something I try by itself pretty much, but yeah, but definitely think, so far I like it minus the smell. I don't think I'm a fan of the smell. Yeah, I don't think I'm a fan of the smell. So basically I got this, the Glam Con, which is kind of like a little kit where you can get pretty much everything in a way in one little package. And basically what you get inside is, it comes like that. And basically what you get inside is 2 sponges, you get a sponge cleaner as well, and then a little sponge stand thing, which I think is cute. But yeah, I got 2 different sponges. The first one that I got is this one, which is the velvet sponge, and it's got a flat edge on one side and then on the bottom side, which I think is quite nice, and it's like got that almond type of shape to it, which I think is cute. It feels quite soft now that I haven't wet it yet, but I'm very excited to try it because I actually got a dupe version of this, which is alright, but it's not really the best. and I got it from Amazon, which looks like this. This is it, not damped, but it's like you can definitely see the different size. Like, I definitely say this is bigger than this one. Then the other sponge that I got as well is called the Fusion Sponge, which looks like this. So basically, it's the same shape as an almond, except for like the tip has been cut off at the top. And then here at the bottom is more rounded, but it's still got a flat surface on one side, like there, and on top, and everything like that. So these are the two sponges that you get if you got this little package thing, which I think is quite nice. You start off with two sponges, two different sponges. You can try it out and then see which sponge you like the most. And then if you want, you can go back and buy some more. And then, like I said, you also get a sponge stand, which I think is quite cute because it's like a rose gold sponge stand, like an egg sponge stand, which, you know, you just pop your sponge in there and pretty much it's like hygienic, which is quite good. You're not just letting it float around and everything, so I think that's quite cute. And then you also get the Juno Co Clean Up Your Act Solid Cleaning Bar, which looks like this. But it's not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be much bigger, but I don't think it needs to be honest. So it looks like it comes like that, but then this bar thing is in a plastic thing that you have to take off, and then you can put it back in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now that I've got my primer on, I'm gonna wet the sponges, come back, and then we're gonna try these sponges out. Basically, I think I'm probably gonna try the original one and then see how I feel about it, because I don't want to really try both of them. So yeah, I'm gonna go wet the sponge and then I'll come back and we can try it out basically. Okay, I've dumped the sponge. It is much bouncier, much softer and everything, which I like. I tried to squeeze out as much water as I can, but you know, still keep it damp. Today I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F13, which is slightly too light for me now, but you know, we're just going to make it work. We're just going to make it work. So basically, I'm just going to do one side for us at a time and just see what happens basically. So just going to spread this out. Also want to see how the Miracle Cream holds up with the foundation basically. So I'll do that. I'm gonna go in with the sponges and just okay. I definitely say, one thing I'll definitely say is spread out my foundation quite easily, because normally I'm not really about this whole dabbing forever to try spread it out. It's definitely picked up the foundation and just using it to spreading it out. I don't think it's taken that much foundation off, because that's the point of the microfibers. It's supposed to be so that when you're putting foundation off, or putting foundation on, it's not you taking as much product off your face and it's just dipping it on. I definitely say my skin looks more flawless. Like, my foundation application looks much flawless compared to if I was going to do it with a brush. Like, even a stippling brush, I definitely say it looks a bit more flawless now. My skin looks really nice. I wonder how it would work over this little friend here. Like, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to still see my little friend. But I like how it's like come out. Okay, so that's the foundation all blended in. One of the things I noticed is definitely that this sponge has made the foundation look more like my skin than anything else, so that it looks airbrushed, but it looks more like my skin. Even though this is not really my shade, as you can see. Like, you wouldn't really notice it if I was like blended it down and everything, which I like. Like, actually, I like the sponge. Like, it's something I'll have to get used to, because I'm not used to using a sponge for foundation. I'm more used to using a sponge for like concealer or something, which I actually want to test out as well. So I'll get my concealer. I'm using the Conceal and Hydrate Radiation Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C12. So I'm just gonna go in my under eyes and just put this on, and I want to see how it will blend it out. So I'll start with my under eyes first. And I'm just gonna definitely definitely blended that out really nicely. Yeah, I definitely like how this sponge is blending out my foundation, my concealer and everything. It's not taking anything extra away. With the primer, it looks like my foundation is definitely stuck to it. It's not slipping and sliding or anything like that, which is quite nice. So I'm going to do the rest of this, and then the one thing I definitely say also is that I'm finding that my concealer is drying a bit quicker. I don't know if that's because of the sponge or of the primer, because the concealer and hydrate concealer normally it gives me like enough time for me to blend it out, but this just seems to like dry it up really quickly, and when it comes to like spreading it out now, it's just not really budging, which is strange, not gonna lie, very, very strange. And now I'm gonna set with the sponge as well. So I'm gonna go in with the Juno Co. Okay, definitely like it to put powder. Powder, I don't have a problem. Okay, so basically I'm gonna finish doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back, tell you guys my final thought of the whole range of Juno Co. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished doing my makeup. You'll be able to find this makeup look on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. But my final thoughts on the Juno Co's product, the Moonshine Miracle Cream, I do like it. I feel like my foundation has stuck put, like whilst I was doing the rest of my makeup, it wasn't slipping or sliding or anything. So I do think it's a nice primer. I'm not a fan of the smell, not really a fan of that. I will have to try it just as a moisturizer, see how I get on throughout the day, and see if it like controls my shine, because I do have combination skin, so I'll need to see if it controls my shine or anything. But as a primer, I do think it has done a nice job. I will have to check if it makes my makeup last or anything, which I feel like it will make my makeup last, just because the tackiness of the product made my foundation stick to it, and I think it will make it last, but I'll have to also test that out and everything. But so far I do like this product. I don't know if I like it as a moisturizer, but definitely like it as a primer. The other thing that I also tried was their velvet microfiber sponge, which I do like. I think I would prefer to use it to blend out my concealer and set my face. I don't know if I would like to use it as a foundation, just because I'm so used to using brushes. It would be something I would have to get used to. I read at the back of the packages, the fusion sponge seems to be for more like quick putting on your foundation and everything, and then this is more like concealer, powder and everything like that. So I would have to try this one out first, do it on my foundation, see how I feel, and then decide if I want to just stick to a brush and then use these for concealer and powders, or I'll end up moving on to the sponges. But overall, I do think the products are quite good. They're very value in price and everything. They're quite decent prices. The Miracle Cream, I think it retailed for $38. I will put it on here somewhere how much each product cost. This whole kit thing I think cost me $28 or something like that dollars. So it would like, these are they're not that expensive, they're very affordable, which you can try out yourself. I definitely recommend trying this out, because it's different for every person and everything. For me, I like it so far, but it's something that I have to continue to try it out and see if I do like it completely. The sponge is definitely worth a try. Foundation wise, I'll have to try the other one. That's basically my honest opinion on it. I do like their powder. This is definitely, I would recommend their powder. Like, if you haven't got it, you need to get this in your makeup kit. This is really good. Probably I've got the brightening one. You could try the translucent one, is your choice. But I'm looking forward to their face palettes that they're bringing out soon. I'm excited. Hopefully I'll be able to try that out. But that is pretty much from my opinion on what I think about the product. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I post. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.